Hi Slayer, welcome back to the channel. And how have you been? Let me hear you in the comments. And hey, if you're stopping by for the first time, hi, you're welcome. Welcome to Slay with SPEA. My name is SPEA. It's an acronym, so let's just say SPEA. I'll give a more detailed on how I came about the name, but for now my name is SPEA and I am a makeup artist, hairstylist. I braid, I do everything beauty. Okay, so call me all round beauty preneur. I run a beauty salon called SPEA Makeover in the city of Abuja, and I'm also a content creator, a UGC creator as well. So if you have products and services you like me to try, don't forget to check the description bar for any details on how you can reach me. And thank you for stopping by. For my first timers, you're welcome. Please don't forget to subscribe. And if you've been watching, you've been enjoying all the juicy content, tutorials on this channel, and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Are you waiting for the second coming of Christ? Please don't wait till that time. Subscribe now. Okay, thank you so much. Thank you. So in today's video we'll be doing a bridal tutorial, a bridal styling on a canvas head. So this style inspiration came from, I saw it on one of my favorite content creators, so I decided to recreate it on this channel for you guys to see. So just watch the process and don't forget to like, leave a comment, and also share this video with your loved ones. So I started by prepping the frontal. And okay, let me say this, for this tutorial you need a straight hair, and your hair has to be 16 to 18 inches long. Yeah, you need that, 16 to 18 inches or more long for you to achieve this style. So if you have a 12 inches, I don't think you can really achieve that, but hey, you can give it a try. So you need a 16 to 18 inches long straight hair, not coily, not wavy. No, you need a straight hair for this tutorial. So all I'm doing now is just to slick pack the hair, and with a rubber band with pins. Okay, I'll show you that in some other video on how I did this packing. So let's get it in. After I've done that, packing the hair, so this is my bond. I don't know if you know this sponge, but it's something we use to style bridal hair. It actually comes in you know what donut looks like? Yeah, it comes like that. So I had to loosen it, then cut it to get it this way. Then after that, you're going to part your hair, the ponytail. You're going to divide it into 3 equal parts, then take one side and clip it up, then the other 2 you join it together and brush it. That's what we are going to use to create the updo at the back. Then after I've done that, you're going to put your bond on it and secure it with bobby pins, 2 bobby pins. You're going to wrap the tail on top, then you secure it with a bobby pin, the big one. So let me quickly say this style you need the big size of the bobby pin and the small size, because there's some part you're going to use the big ones, there's some part you're going to use the small one. Then after that, you're going to roll it up, securely. Make sure you roll it tight. If it is not tight, drag it down and roll it up again. Make sure it is firm. Make sure it is firm. Then you wrap it up, roll it up, then use your big bobby pin and secure and pin it. Okay, pin it to the hair. Okay, pin it to the hair. Make sure you use like 2 to 3 pins for this style. You don't want your bride to dance and the hair is falling off, so you have to secure it very well, very firm. Do the test and make sure it is firm enough. Then after you've secured the both ends, let's go into our styling. So just keep watching. The bond is well secure, so I'll go ahead and cover it up. I'm just going to pull the hair up a little bit and cover up the bond. Then I'll arrange it properly, then use a comb to comb it, brush it very well, then secure it with a bobby pin, because I notice somewhere down here it is a bit loose, so I'm just fixing the bobby pin just to make it look firm and neat enough. Then I'll go ahead and do the same on the other side. So if you've watched this video up till this point and you're yet to subscribe, please subscribe, please. And thank you. Also give this video a thumbs up, leave a comment below, let me know what you think about this video. Do we love content like this? Is it a styling? Do you love bridal styling videos, or braids, or is it makeup? Let me know what you want me to share on this channel next. Okay, so after we've done that, let's get into the real styling to get this style that you've seen on the thumbnail. I know, right? So let's get into it. Just watch closely and you will get it. It doesn't matter, you might not get it the first time, so rewatch it again, and even as you're recreating it, watch it as well, step by step, and you will definitely get it right. I didn't know my video had stopped recording, or my phone had stopped recording, because I had insufficient storage. I didn't realize that on time, because I'm filming with my back camera, so I couldn't really see or notice early when the video stopped recording. But I was able to delete some things, maybe old videos, to create space for me to record more. But like this part of the hair, I missed out a lot on some part because I didn't realize that early. So my apologies. I'll make sure to clear my phone before I do the next tutorial, so I'll be able to get everything in that video. But I hope you were able to learn a thing or two in this video. I hope it was a bit detailed enough for you to learn something. If you do, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So the video you're seeing, what I did, the side strap was I just left it down. I did not pack it up, but for this tutorial I'm going to wrap this front up, different from the one on my model. Let me just say, my bride did not want hers to be down. She wanted it up. Okay, so I'm manifesting my bride a connection, a bridal job from my YouTube channel. So I'm manifesting that in this video. Amen. So let's move on. I'm going to pack that up and pin it, clip it. So watch it carefully and learn. Almost done. This is what the back looks like without any accessories. So I didn't have any hair accessories, I had to accessorize it with these pearls using my butterfly shadow spray to put that on this hair, to stick it to the hair. And also I used some rhinestones on it as well. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Have you liked this video? Have you subscribed to the channel? If you've done all that, leave me a comment below. Did you learn something? And what do you want to see next? Bye!